not strong, it is fine. It's unfair, I found love. It made me say that get back. You'll never see daylight if I'm not strong, it is fine.
They figure me a dead motherfucker, but I'm just a motherfucker that wanna be that slow. Living with the lead in his head, turning me into his sweat. Bitches use me as a fucking best friend. I'll be the silhouette of a sunset, smoke a cigarette while I compress. My depression stabbing to the pilot, progressing lies, getting violent. I'm trying to get the highest I can get before other doesn't that. My ribs are nothing but an empty cage, black coal in my chest, big bang, young plate on the tip of a wave. In my head I feel like I'm like a from my throat all away, because when I am dead I will be nothing, decomposing in the grave. I'm mad but I don't matter, I can feel my skull shatter from the gold cheddar. Brain splattered on the wall, gray stains, what goes off, then I have to paint it on.